Take him. Give him another drink. Give him 2 drinks, actually. Give her another. You'll videotape it. Give him another drink. Not a big one, though.